have my money. That is what my anger is. Look at all the money here. You people are not eating it. Eat money now. Eat money. Eat money. Take more. Take more. You said you get swag. You said I want you to be eating my money. There is too much money where this one came from. Almost $10,000. This is not good. Where they have them? Oh my God. My wife! I don't want to. Get off now! Get off! Come on, hide! Come on, hide! Come on, hide! Come on, hide!
Come. No run, no fear. I know they hurt you. See, make I tell you, if you be 2 minutes, man, and you know they last. No worry, I carry your solution. Come. You know what TV this? You call Dogu 1. Ha! Wagawa! Ah! Wagawa! See, don't take this one shot. You see how this game where they do and guys say, you know they last. It be 2 minutes, man. Yeah, you go flog them. You don't want their body go they shake, you know they vibrate. You know the matters now. See, this is called Dogu. Just contact us in the screen. You will see the number of the screen. You understand? Just call us if you want. If you even need home delivery, we do. You get many girls where they do home delivery. Well, you know go test too. You don't want.
Hey, what is going on?
Hey!
What happened? Why is this place messed up?
Don't you know?
Who has all these things? The shoes, the bag.
Hey!
Money everywhere. What is going on?
No, it's the money that I wanted to buy this.
Then how come it was scattered all over? Even the duvet. Duvet is supposed to be in the room. See, as in the handbag. Who has the bag? See shoes. Who has it? The bag, the shoes. Hey, what happened? Did you bring in ghost? Jesus, where are they now?
Pray for me.
Pray for you.
Pray for me.
Me pray for you. No.